Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing here should be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and understand the risks before investing.
Welcome back everyone to another Bitcoin update. So quickly, just getting started for this. Pretty much the same thing that we have been talking about for the last couple of weeks. We have seen a little bit of a upside reaction, which actually broke our trend line, in which we were talking about for this one. And it seems like it has fell back underneath it, but that was at least a good sign, because what could be happening is it could just be retesting the top of the trend line and it could find support and bounce off that as well, but obviously that's not guaranteed. So far we have only had a 1, 2, 3 wave move up. We did break above this swing high, it looks like, so I added that there as well as our first indication. Now it kind of just depends on this pullback here. Like I said, only a 3 wave move so far, and even if we do go higher, that could just be part of a more impulsive 3rd wave. So even if we do go and break these swing highs, it's still possible. It's just this orange 4th wave bounce, and we can still find that rejection. But we won't really know whether it is the 4th wave of the orange or the white A, even if we do form this 5 wave move up and a C wave, 3, 4, 5 wave move up, because all of this could just be a 3 wave move in the 4th wave, and we could still get rejected in that 5th wave. It will all depend on this next pullback for that B wave. If it will just be a 3 wave move and we hold support and we can get a 1-2 setup and then bounce off from it. So that is what we would be looking for when we get to that point. But so far, I mean, if you really look at it, we're still within a range. Even though we did have some upside movement, it doesn't really change anything. We're still kind of ranging, and now we're having a bit of a sell-off. So we'll see how this sell-off goes. I added this swing low down here. If we break below it, well, then that kind of invalidates what we have been tracking here for this pump that we had for the last couple of days. And yeah, other than that, there isn't really too much other to talk about, just because not too much has really happened. Even though we have had a pump, it's only a 3 wave move. We're kind of still within the trend lines. We're still ranging. And as of right now, it's just a pump with really only a 3 wave move that could always change. Now, it could always be the start of this A wave or the C wave, and we could slowly work towards that and then find our 3 wave B wave support and then bounce off from it. But this could just all be a part of a 4th wave move where we can get rejected here. It's even possible that we just go a little higher, break swing highs, liquidate shorts for leverage, and then we get rejected and head lower. So we kind of just have to wait and see if we can form a real 5 wave move up, 3, 4, 5 wave move up. What we would want to see is in this 3rd wave, it'd be nice to at least see a break above all these swing highs and then form a 4th wave move down, find support, bounce off from it for a 5th wave move up in the C wave, all for the A wave or possible 4th wave orange move. Once we get to that point, then we can start tracking downside momentum and for that B wave support, and see if we can hold support and bounce off from it, or if we don't, or if we get to support and we break below it, then we could be in that 5th wave to the downside. That's always possible as well. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for this video. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.